Alright, welcome back to Tio Today. This is Tio Pilo and we are now at our, I don't know what day this is, probably this is like day 40 plus. Malapit na yung 90 days. Amazing. So 90-day challenge every single day gagawa ko. I'll be dropping videos all about personal finance, business, investments, and multiple sources of passive income. And ngayon, we're gonna be talking about one of the most awaited topics. And most of my subscribers, ito yung gustong matutunan. Stock market investing. Okay, stock market investing. So, investing in stock market is also a vehicle, is also a way for you to earn passive or lifestyle income. And yan yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Alright, if you missed the previous videos, balikan mo from day 1. Okay? Alright, or visit freedomloveph.com. Again, that's freedomloveph.com. And now, let's dive in. Let's start. How does the stock market works? Alright? So it comes from two words, stock and market. So yung market, this is a place where people buy and sell. Di ba? Pupunta ka sa merkado, di ba? Meron nagbibenta ng isda, meron bumibili ng karne, di ba? It's buy and sell. And then, yung stock naman, it means ownership. Ownership or shares. Okay? Shares of a certain company, shares of a certain corporation. Okay? So meaning, when you add the two words, stock market, this is a place where people can buy and sell shares, okay? Or ownership of a certain company. So, hindi ko naintindihan. I'm confused. How does it work? Ito. Previously, you need 5 people to create a corporation. Okay? So, 5 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people for you to form a corporation. Corporation. Kasi ngayon meron ng OPC, one person corporation. But dati, 5 people for you to create a corporation. So, itong 5 people na to, they are called shareholders. Okay? So, as of this case, this is like 20% shares per person. 20% shares per person. Of course, the bigger the corporation, okay? The bigger the corporation, yung number of shares, mahati-hati yan. Okay? And what if, okay? What if, as a start, itong corporation na to, this is privately listed. It's private, meaning you don't need to know sino yung mga owners ng certain corporation. You don't need to know sino yung mga owners, board of directors, sino yung president, okay? Dun sa corporation. Kasi it's a private entity, right? However, what if this corporation decides to go public? Okay? Gusto ng corporation maging publicly listed siya, meaning, if I'm not mistaken, they can offer like 40% of their shares to the public, right? So they're gonna, they're gonna offer these shares to the public. Okay? What they're gonna do is they're gonna conduct an initial public offering dun sa Philippine Stock Exchange, PSE. Alright? So if you might have heard of the word PSE, Philippine Stock Exchange. And then they're gonna conduct an initial public offering. Meaning, tayo, okay? As a public, we can buy shares of this certain company. Okay? Let's say, for example, this corporation is called Jollibee. Yun, favorite talaga yung Jollibee. JFC. Okay? So, si Jollibee, at first, it's a privately owned company. Yung mga owners lang. Okay? Yung may-ari talaga noon. Pero Jollibee decides to become public. Why? Kasi gusto niya to expand, needs funding from the public, okay? Additional source of funding for faster expansion. At the same time, to promote, ano tawag nito, like, to become a patron, okay? Tama ba yun? I don't know if tama yung word na yun. Para magiging suki, okay? Suki. Kasi owner ka ng Jollibee. So what do you do? So, for example, you're a part owner of Jollibee. Saan ka kakain, di ba? Don't tell me, doon ka sa McDo. Doon ka sa Jollibee kasi you're a part owner. Same thing, meron kang karinderya, okay? Ikaw yung nagluto. Siyempre, saan ka ba kakain? Siyempre, doon sa karinderya mo. Ikaw yung may-ari, di ba? Same thing dito. so that the company can have loyal, ano tawag nito? I think patron, tama, yung word, no? Tapos, at the same time for funding. That's why they go public, okay? That's why, kapag yung company is already listed in the Philippine Stock Exchange, once they are a publicly listed company, if you visit the newspaper, right? Visit ka sa newspaper, makikita mo yung news all about these companies, like Jollibee's revenue, ganito. Jollibee just bought si BTL, okay? Kasi the public has the right to know what's happening to these companies because they are publicly owned company. Okay? The public is also part owners of these corporations. That's why the public deserves to know these news. Alright? So, I hope I'm still making sense dito, but yan yung purpose why companies list their become publicly listed in the Philippine Stock Exchange so that people can buy and sell shares or ownership of these corporations. Now you might be asking, okay, now I understand why companies list themselves in the PSE, okay? And then, how do I make money? Okay? How do I make money? Ayun, as a business owner, as a part owner, ang tawag nito, like, the more mag-grow yung company, the more mag-grow yung business, the more you also earn as a part owner. Alright? As a part owner. So, let's say, para maging simple, ganito, just imagine this is a piece of cake. Alright? So, this piece of cake has 8 slices. And let's say, for example, you bought the cake for 1,000 pesos. Okay? So, ideally, the value per slice is around 125 pesos. Tama ba? 250, 125 pesos per slice of cake. Okay? Pero assuming natin, you're working in a call center, tapos you're in the like 22nd floor. Alright? You bought this cake, 1,125. Went inside, punta ka doon sa floor, 22nd floor, and yung mga office mates mo, they want a piece of your cake. Alright? Can you sell this piece for 150? Yes, di ba? I'd rather pay 150 than bababa pa ako and then pupunta pa ako dun sa cafe or whatever to buy this cake. Tapos yung gusto ko lang is just one slice, di ba? So I'd rather pay 150 pesos. Okay? So meaning, yung difference nun is 25 pesos, yan yung profit mo. So same thing in the stock market. Same thing in the stock market. You buy a share, okay, a piece of the company, and then later, once mag-grow yung business, say for example, mag-grow yung si Jollibee, mag-grow si BDO, mag-grow si SM, okay, mag-grow yung value niya, you can sell it for a profit. Okay? So that is one way of earning money in the stock market. Okay? So I'll make this as simple as possible. The next following video, probably I'll share more about how it works and how you can invest in the stock market. Okay? So, but before I end, like ganito, a lot of people would say, now alam ko na, ganun pala yung stock market. Buy and sell lang pala. Parang palengke lang pala talaga. Tapos, kaya pala yung mga companies, they're listing their corporations in the PSE. Okay? Question is, gusto ko bumili ng Jollibee. Paano ba ako makabili ng shares? Okay? How do you buy shares? Of course, you don't go inside the Jollibee store, di ba? Punta ka, pagpasok mo sa Jollibee, like, good morning, sir, welcome to Jollibee. Punta ka doon sa cashier. Okay? Gina-ask you, hello, ma'am, sir, ano ba yung order mo? Sasabihin mo, I wanna buy 10 shares of Jollibee. Most likely, yung cashier would have question mark. She's gonna say, I'm sorry ma'am, out of order tayo niyan. Yung meron tayo ngayon is yung Chicken Joy lang, di ba? Chicken Joy lang. So anyway, I'm making a joke right now. I don't know if you find that funny, but ayun, a lot of people, when they want to buy shares, so these corporations, sometimes they don't know where to go. Okay? Actually, dito ka pupunta. The Philippine Stock Exchange. Okay? Philippine Stock Exchange, yan yung merkado. Okay? Yan yung merkado. Diyan ka bibili ng mga shares. Hindi si Jollibee ha, hindi si Jollibee. Okay? And then, you will be needing a broker. Okay? You'll be needing a broker. So, itong broker na to, sila na yung magbabuy and sell. Okay? Ikaw, you just gonna instruct the broker ano yung mga gusto mong bilhin. So, meron different brokers like Call Financial, BPI Trade, okay? Ano pa ba? I think First Metro something. First Metro Trade something. Okay, so there are different online brokers, alright? And they're gonna do the buy and sell for you. You just have to instruct them. Okay, ano yung mga gusto mong bilhin and whatever. Okay, so ayun, that's it for now. This is all about stock market. Probably next following videos, let's go deeper in the stock market and probably also introduce to you yung cousin ng stock market, okay, which is yung mutual funds. Okay, so I hope you learned something. Again, this is Tio Pelo, and if you find this video helpful, visit freedomlawph.com. We do have a number of content din doon. We have free training, tapos meron natin mga premium programs and membership program. Okay, so once again, create your desired lifestyle. Bye bye.